Hi guys, welcome to my channel how to download HP Smart Tank 5101 driver. So open any browser and search as it is same in Google. So this is HP official website for download driver. Right click to new tab, close it, scroll down. So firstly guys, if you have a different operating system, like automatically detect Windows 10, but I have a Windows 11, so I need to change. This is Windows, and if you have a different to all our OS for available drivers, okay, so Windows 10 and then click to search. So guys, this is required for internet and this is easy start, not best for install for drivers printer. So I recommend you install this one if you need all software. So try this one for 11 MB, and this is very basic features. This is 99 MB, and if you need only print based printer, so this is download. And if you need to all software, so please download this one. Wait for few minutes to automatically start download. Then guys, single click to launch. Then guys, click to run. So this is not install, but you can try because I have a lot of driver in my system, that's why it's not installing. If same issue facing, so try to uninstall all printers drivers and then try.